Top 6 predators of North America. Number 6. Polar bear. Perhaps in light of the fact that he is wearing white as though went to a high-class, formal issue that we don't for the most part think about a polar bear as a hazardous predator. In any case, this specific predator has 2 or 3 cases to our consideration. He is the world's biggest land flesh eater and furthermore the world's biggest bear. Number 5. Great white shark. 2 inquiries may strike you now. 1. How could this eating machine be so low on any rundown of predators? Also, 2, isn't this about North America? The solution to its low positioning is that, in fact, the colossal white swims everywhere throughout the world. What's more, isn't especially a North American local. Number 4. Coyote. The not very removed cousin of man's best friend is surely from the opposite side of the tracks as far as the canine family, the wild and heartless side. On the off chance that you've at any point seen a Western motion picture or TV appears, you have likely known all about the call of the coyote. Number 3. Black bear. Most of the mountain bear's creature count calories comprises of bucks, like honeybees and yellow coats. Number 2. American badger. Not especially suited to running down potential casualties, the badger inclines toward open fields with inexhaustible prey. Think about these chasing grounds as what might as well be called the general store, with a lot of his most loved treats like mice, squirrels, and groundhogs. Number 1. Cougar. Maybe no animal outside of sorted out wrongdoing has more false names than the cougar. You may know it as jaguar, mountain lion, puma, or even catamount. You have dependably pondered what a catamount is, haven't you? This feline is an equivalent open door execution.